If you've got shady spots in your yard where nothing seems to grow, don't worry. We're about to show you how to turn them into lush, vibrant spaces with perennials that thrive in low light and return year after year. Welcome to TN Nursery. Today's topic: best perennial shade plants for low-light gardens. Colorful, low-maintenance choices that come back every year. Bold foliage, delicate blooms, or a mix of both. These shade-friendly perennials will brighten even the darkest corners of your garden. And yes, every single one is available right now at TN Nursery. First up, bloodroot, a native wildflower that thrives in shady woodland settings. In early spring, it produces pristine white blooms that stand out beautifully against deep green leaves, adding brightness to dim spaces. Next, hydrangea, a timeless favorite that thrives in partial to full shade. Their large, lush flower clusters in pink, blue, or white make a dramatic impact, and their blooms can last from summer into fall. For early season charm, plant bleeding hearts. Their delicate, heart-shaped flowers dangle gracefully from arching stems and return every spring. Ferns, like lady fern or Christmas fern, offer rich texture and a lush woodland vibe that pairs beautifully with flowering perennials. Add long-lasting beauty with geraniums. Hardy perennial geraniums bring cheerful blooms in shades of pink, purple, or blue, and their spreading habit makes them perfect for ground cover in shady borders. Finally, cardinal flower, a hummingbird magnet with striking spikes of bright red blooms that thrive in moist, shady areas, adding a bold pop of late summer color to your garden. Pro planting tip for a stunning shade garden. Give your shade-loving perennials the VIP treatment they deserve. Start by enriching your soil with nutrient-rich organic compost. This boosts drainage, feeds the roots, and sets the stage for lush growth. Remember, even in the coolest, shadiest corners, plants crave consistent moisture. Water deeply once a week, especially during dry spells, and watch your garden reward you with healthier roots, vibrant foliage, and blooms that truly shine year after year.
For the best results, group plants with similar light and water needs, and layer different heights to create depth. Even your shadiest spaces can become the most captivating part of your landscape.
Shade doesn't have to mean dull. With these perennial shade plants, you can enjoy color, texture, and blooms year after year, without the high maintenance. Shop these gorgeous perennials now at TN Nursery, shipped fresh and ready to plant. And be sure to subscribe to the TN Nursery YouTube channel for more seasonal gardening tips, expert advice, awesome plant promos and plant guides that keep your garden thriving all year long.